Hello there, Capricorn. This is your June career money reading, and this is for the rest of the days for June. This is based on your Sun, Moon, and Venus rising. So let's see what the cards have. So I've already shuffled these cards, Capri. Just a thought that since retrograde season is on, Venus already in retrograde, Mercury going retrograde on June 17th, we really need to take things slowly. This is for all signs, and I just am putting it like, don't rush into things, any decision. Take slowly, go stage by stage, baby step, one at a time, and then success is yours. So let's see what is stored for Capricorn. Two of Cups. I mean, definitely this is a positive card. There is something that you are there. This is a positive card in terms of finance or job situation, or you have it's a give and take. Really, either you are you have a situation wherein with your boss, or it's a card of growth also, like it's between your boss and you. So it's been like really happy. It's a good situation wherein both of you support each other, and also in business it could be like slowly the things are picking up for Capris. So this is it, positive card, Capri. So here it means that your focus is right. You are trying to do things either with a business associate or with a boss, to the next step forward for these things. Five of Cups. Now I feel in reverse. So this is like in an upright position. It is a negative. It is not a very positive situation. But here it's reverse. You're trying to catch every opportunity. You're trying. You are not letting any. You are getting a help from someone. Maybe the universe is trying to help you with a situation, maybe financial, job, or thing, and you will not let this go this time. I mean, in reverse position, you are alert, you are active, when an opportunity comes, just to take it. You take the helping of either a person or the universe, whoever offering for the financial and the job situation. So definitely, Capri, there is a helping hand suddenly coming, and which will help you with your job and money. The Star card in reverse. I think this talks about a wish. The Star card is usually wish, wishing for something. In reverse, I feel that sometimes you're just stressed about things that maybe you had certain plans that didn't work out earlier. There was a situation that you have left behind. Maybe there are certain changes that will maybe you had planned something and something else comes down. Maybe this hand of help will be there, but there is something which is going to change your decision. That something which didn't work earlier will make you change your decision. Something dramatic is going to come, Caprice, for you. The Judgment card in reverse. So here Judgment card usually is like taking a decision, yes or no. And this Judgment card also could be like making people know about a certain plan that you're going to execute, or making it public. So right now what I feel Judgment card is like telling you, go slow, take it slowly, go phase by phase. This is not the time for a complete yes or no. Maybe you are working and you have a business idea and you want to leave the job to focus totally into the business. Maybe this is not the right time to do. You need to take you have to reassess your situation, see your financial stability, and only take a decision later, slowly. So this is not the time for judgment, taking things slowly. And it also talks about some delays. So there could be delays, some delays. Maybe you are looking forward to things in a quick manner, it might not come that fast. So, and this is what Judgment card in reverse. Eight of Swords. Here it means lot of communication back and forth, new ideas coming, rushing in. So new idea or a new communication. So I think it's asking you to reach out to people, reach out the way to market yourself, reach out to the because this is a retrograde, your ex-bosses, ex-colleagues, or people who could be of help in your business or in your situation. Also, it's asking you to be fast, and then you could immediately see a switch in destiny. I mean, just don't let put all your energy and focus into this communication and work towards it. So Eight of Swords is a positive card as far as ideas going, working towards the ideas in a very with lot of energy and lot of focus. So we'll see from here like what could be the likely outcome, and we'll pick two cards and what could help. So two more cards. Okay, so this is Three of Pentacles in reverse. So Three of Pentacles in reverse, I think this is telling me, brushing, this in an upright position tells you about brushing your skills and having all the information and things required to be successful. Like you need all the info and find out nothing is hidden. It's for the emotional satisfaction as well as the job satisfaction. In reverse, it shows that maybe you need to do you need more information, more work, more there are certain aspects which you might not know. So find out things, take things in stages. Only then the business or the idea, the new job situation, or the idea that you work towards it is gonna help you the desired results. Also, I feel that maybe you had put in lot of effort previously by working hard on certain things. So it is taking up a new perspective, working hard with a fresh thinking, fresh source, fresh perspective, to maybe taking up classes, or so that these things will work in a much better manner. In this new ideas, new things will work much better. And it will lead you towards your financial and emotional stability. Ace of Pentacles. So finally, after this, you do this, you get this. See, you can see this is a money card. This is a card of growth. So some money coming in for Caprice. It's it's like money wise, something is coming in. And also it talks about your journey of this new thing, new idea, new business that you have started planting the seeds now. Will slowly lead you towards growth and money and financial abundance. So this is it, Caprice. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel.